IIT Roorkee 2020. With its establishment in 1847 and the pride of being one of the oldest technical institutions in the country, the institution on our list today has achieved the 6th rank. Welcome to College Suggest. In this video, we're taking a look at IIT Roorkee's student stats, courses, its performance in graduation, placements, median salary, top recruiters, the infrastructure, and of course, the fee structure. We are also comparing the performance of IIT Roorkee with IIT Guwahati, IIT Kanpur, and IIT Hyderabad to see if it's performing on par with its peers. Click on the subscribe button and the bell icon to receive notifications on your favorite college, college details, college comparisons, courses, careers, and so much more. As always, we will only consider the facts that are submitted by the college to the NIRF for the 2020 ranking. We'll leave the link in the description below. Teaching, learning, and resources. Here we'll take a look at IIT Roorkee's approved intake, student strength, faculty information, and financial utilizations. IIT Roorkee has an approved intake of 879 UG seats, 487 PG, and 61 PG integrated seats. IIT Kanpur has a better intake from the institutions listed. With this, IIT Roorkee has 5,370 engineering students studying across all years. The total number of students is also higher than in other institutions. The number of professors in this institution is 477, and 99.37% of them are PhD holders. This gives a faculty-to-student ratio of 1:11, which is quite low compared to the other institutions on our list. 87 professors from this institution have received highly reputed national and international awards from central government agencies in the previous year. Also, 28 students have won international awards in the previous year. When it comes to expenditure, IIT Roorkee has spent over 155 crores as annual capital expenditure, in which 47.39% was spent on the creation of capital assets. This emphasizes the institution's efforts on improving the campus infrastructure. Their peers have also invested most of their capital expenses on the purchasing of new lab equipment. Over 276 crores was spent as operational expenses, and a huge portion of this went towards the salaries of the staff. Other institutions have spent most of their operational expenses on the maintenance of academic infrastructure. Considering all of these, IIT Roorkee has scored 77.21% in teaching, learning, and resources, which contributes to 30% of the overall NIRF score. Research and professional practice. In this parameter, we'll see about IIT Roorkee's PhD students, patent details, and the funds received through various projects. The number of patents published by IIT Roorkee has been tremendously increased from the past year. 22 patents were published. The number of patents granted has increased to 3. Most of the institutions have fewer patents published or granted in the previous years. IIT Roorkee has 2,110 students pursuing their PhD degree, and in the last year, 290 students graduated with a PhD. A total of 159 sponsored projects brought in over 55 crores as sponsored research funding. With 858 consultancy projects, IIT Roorkee has received over 58 crores as consultancy project funds. With this, IIT Roorkee has scored 76.57% in research and professional practices, which contributes to another 30% of the NIRF score. Graduation outcomes. Here let's analyze IIT Roorkee's graduation and placement percentages, along with salary packages and top recruiters. UG. IIT Roorkee offers 11 UG programs. When it comes to graduation, among the 880 final year students, 825 graduated in the minimum stipulated time. This gives the institution a graduation percentage of 93.75%. From these graduates, 99 students have chosen to study further. IIT Roorkee's graduation is less when compared to its peers. Among the 726 students eligible for placements, everyone got placed, leaving a perfect placement percentage. These placed students were given a salary package of 14.5 lakhs per annum. IIT Roorkee's placement percentage is higher than other similar institutions. While comparing this with the previous years, we can see that the graduation percentage has increased while the placements have remained consistent. PG Integrated. IIT Roorkee offers 5 PG integrated programs. Out of the 122 final year PG integrated students, 90 graduated, thus yielding a graduation percentage of 73.77%. From these graduates, 21 students decided to study further. Other similar institutions do not offer PG integrated programs. From the 69 students eligible for placements, all the students got job offers, leaving a perfect placement percentage of 100%. The placed PG integrated students have received a salary package of 4.69 lakhs per annum. This shows that the graduations have dropped while the placements have remained consistent. IIT Roorkee also offers 45 PG programs. For a detailed analysis of its PG performance, please visit the link in the description below. Recruiters. Top organizations that hire students from IIT Roorkee are Google, Cisco, Cognizant, eBay, HCL, Mercedes-Benz, Nokia, Qualcomm, Acer, TCS, ISRO, ONGC, and many more. With this, IIT Roorkee has scored 89.65% in graduation outcomes, which contributes to 20% of the NIRF score. Outreach and inclusivity. Here we will look at how diverse IIT Roorkee is. Among the 5,370 students studying across all years, 195 students are from Uttarakhand, 5,025 students are from other parts of the country, and 150 students are from abroad. The number of students from outside the state is higher, just like its peers. The overall engineering student count consists of 87.79% boys and 12.21% girls. Considering all of these, IIT Roorkee has scored 61.71% for outreach and inclusivity, which contributes to 10% of the NIRF scores. Perception. In this parameter, let's see the perception of this institution from the public and its peers. IIT Roorkee is a leading IIT and has consistently been one among the top 10 technical institutions in the country. This has helped them to earn a good reputation from the public as well as its peers. With this, IIT Roorkee has scored 60.55% in perception from the public. Perception contributes to 10% of the NIRF scores. Comprising all of the scores in various parameters, IIT Roorkee has attained an overall score of 76.29%. Admissions. IIT Roorkee admits students to BTech and MTech programs through JEE Advanced and GATE scores, respectively. Location. This Indian Institute of Technology is located in Roorkee, Uttarakhand, and it is well connected by both train and bus routes. The nearest railway station to the institution is the Haridwar Junction railway station, which is 30 kilometers away. Also, the nearest airport is the Indira Gandhi International Airport, Delhi, which is 190 kilometers away. Campus life. The beautiful campus of IIT Roorkee spreads over 365 acres. The facilities available on campus are auditoriums, a library, a 24-hour computer center, dining halls and mess, canteens, banks, post office, and a railway reservation center. There are over 3.2 lakh books stocked in the library under various disciplines. IIT Roorkee has hostel facilities for both boys and girls separately. There are 13 hostels in total, which serve all the basic needs of the students. The institution promotes various sports like badminton, cricket, football, basketball, swimming, and many more. Fee structure. The approximate fees for a UG student per semester is 1.04 lakhs, which is quite low compared to the other institutions on our list. Please note that the fee structure mentioned is subject to variation. One pays approximately Rs 8.32 lakhs as an overall fee. The median salary offered to place students is 14.5 lakhs per annum, which means that you can earn back your fees in less than a year. We've reached the end of the video, so let's analyze now where IIT Roorkee has performed well and where it needs some improvement. Improved UG and PG graduations. UG and PG integrated placements are consistently maintained at 100%, which looks promising. Well-experienced faculty members with a good faculty-to-student ratio. Improvement in patent stats. There you have it, that's all you need to know about the Indian Institute of Technology, Roorkee. What other interesting college reviews would you like to see? Let us know in the comment section below. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and for more information, visit collegesuggest.com.